mouse, folks. It's your boy, Badlands Chugs, and I am on Cameo, okay? You need a personalized shout out, maybe a happy birthday, maybe a happy anniversary, congratulations on the new job, the wedding, anything at all. And do you need it with a chug of your choice? You let me know what you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. 24-hour delivery is available, and if you want me to promote your business, book your boy. Cheers. And now, a rainy afternoon with Badlands Chugs. Hey folks, I know it's raining outside, but it's nice and dry in here. And today, we're about to do a subscriber chug. We're drinking Izze sparkling blackberry juice. Ooh. Hush, doggy. Don't touch that mouse. You're watching Badlands Chugs. Don't touch that mouse, phone screen, or TV remote. You're watching Badlands Chugs, and today we are going to drink some Izze, all right? This is a subscriber chug, and I've been meaning to do this for a while, all right? For those who don't know what Izze is, let me put you all on. Izze is a sparkling flavored juice beverage blend from concentrate. It also has other natural flavors. It has no added sugar and no preservatives. Oh yeah, something nice and healthy, all right? So, ooh, look at the explosion. Oh my goodness. Man, look at that action. That is so awesome, don't you agree? I don't know if you can see that, but if you could, oh yes, so amazing. All right, so we have this here, but why do one, folks, when you can do two? You know what I'm saying? You know how I get down. Let's crack this open. Oh, yes. Yes. You see that? See that goodness? You see that action? I don't know if you can see that, but it's oh so good. And I know this is going to be delicious. So I have one Izze here, and I have the second one here. And you know what type of business we're about. Double barrel business, all right? So I read all the comments. Keep the suggestions coming, okay? Because they will be coming soon to the camera, yeah, okay? Because they will be coming soon to a YouTube near you, all right? So enough talk. Let's enjoy this Izze blackberry goodness, all right? Cheers, folks. Whoa, oh my God, this is so delicious, so delicious. And it's carbonated, so. So folks, this is the end of the video, all right? Stay awesome, enjoy yourselves, be good to each other, and I'm out. Peace. Chugging the world, one bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back.